frames, and in this video we are going to learn about the Kotlin if-else statement along with if. What is if? If is also called as the decision making or the branching statement, whether the condition is true. Depending on that condition, the program will execute different set of lines. So now just let's discuss. And then here we know that simple example you might have heard that this is cost price and selling price, because we know that the value CP, if I take it as a double and store the value 120, this is my cost price, and the value SP colon double equals 150. So now you see that the cost price of the article is 120 and selling price of the article is 150, and we know that if selling price is more than cost price, then there's a profit, and if the selling price is less than the cost price, there's loss. So here we are just trying to, now you see that you are getting this thing, because it is saying that integer literal does not conform, because this 120, it is not recognizing it as a double value. So if I write here 0.00, this error will be gone, and if I write here like this, so now you see there is no error, only the warning that this had never been used, so it's fine. Now I'll put the condition that if SP is greater than CP, and then we'll write print message equals profit equals, then in the bracket I want to write dollar SP minus $CP. This is a C style of programming. Let's see what kind of result you get. And else I write this will be CP and this will be SP, and that will result out to be loss. So here I go and run my code. Then so you remember cost price is 120, selling price is 150. So now let's see the result. So it says that the profit, but it is not giving you the result. It is just giving you the printing the values like this. So this is not a good way of practicing. So you write val profit equals, and then write SP minus CP. Then this value will be, then here I'll write val dollar profit. Same thing I can, this should be P capital. Same thing I can take another value, loss equals CP minus SP, and then you can print it here, and that is loss. So now 120 and 150 remain same, and only the difference you will see in the result. So now you see the profit is 30. Why it's coming in parenthesis? Because I have placed it in the parenthesis. So if I do not want parenthesis, if I write profit equals dollar, and then if I write it like this here, assuming that the currency is dollar, Now this closing parenthesis is also not required, and here also. So I expect that my answer will be dollar something and dollar something. Now let me rerun the code, and there you will find the how this whole thing can be represented. Now you see the profit is $30.0. If I make the cost price as 180, so now you see there will be loss. So let me run the code again, and then you will find that the loss will be attributed. So here loss is $30. And one more thing, it is not necessary that every time you need to have the else block. Like if you do not want this else block, you can remove it. So what will happen if there will be, like, if SP greater than CP, if this one is true, because this is a relational operator and this gives the value always in the form of true or false. So if it is true, only then this line will be printed, otherwise nothing will happen. So here in this condition we see that SP is greater than SP is false. So now if I run the code, then I will not find any output, because I have not written any code for this, because I have just excluded my else block. But logically it is not incorrect, but you will not get any answer. Thank you very much. Keep on watching. Our next video will discuss more about the loops. Thank you very much. Have a very nice time.